number 11, The Dipper in the Sky. Today we will do review on page number 117. So let's take a review. This unit starts from page number 108. Basically, this is the story of a boy who was finding water for his sick mother. How he shared water with others and how he found Dipper in the form of 7 glittering stars. Then we did reading comprehension on page number 109. In vocabulary, we learned different names of planets, and then we did the grammar part. On page number 113, we practiced some spellings. After listening and speaking, we did the writing part, and today we are going to review it. We use the helping verb may to ask if we are allowed to do something. We use the helping verbs may or may not to tell someone whether or not we allow them to do something.
We use the word may to ask for permission in a polite way or to make a request. May I have some water? We also use the word may to suggest that something is possible. Like the wind is blowing hard, there may be a storm.
In our grammar part, we did the use of may and may not.
So we will mark tick here.
Second one is we use the helping verbs should or should not to ask for or give advice about something.
Other helping verb is should and should not, used for giving advice. So we use the helping verbs should or should not to ask for or give advice about something. Should I bring my bag? You should not tease your brother.
On page number 111, we practice the use of may not and should not.
So we will mark here tick.
Third one is adverbs of place tell us more about the verbs in sentences. They answer the question where.
An adverb of place tells us where something is done or happens. We use it at the end. For example, there is a fair nearby. An adverb modifies and tells us more about the verb. It tells us when, where, or how the action takes place. An adverb that gives us information about the place is called an adverb of place. It tells us where the action has taken place. Examples of the adverbs of place are here, there, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere, nearby, somewhere, inside.
On page number 112, we learn adverbs of place with the help of these pictures and practice in the exercise.
So we will mark here tick.
Last one is write words that keep the Y when we add S or ing.
So the words that keep the Y when we add S are days, place, and essays. In all these 3 words, we are adding S while keeping the Y. And now we have to write those words that keep the Y when we add ing at the end. So these words are crying, trying, and flying. As you can see that these words have Y and ing at the end. Now we have 3 words that keep the Y when we add S in the end and 3 words that keep the Y when we add ing at the end.
These are some examples, but try to find out more words like these. Now write these words on your notebook and ready for your assessment. Thank you.